Example 7.1. A light bulb is rated at 100 watt for a 220 volt supply. Find the resistance of the bulb, the peak voltage of the source, and the RMS current through the bulb. Okay. First, we'll see what are the given values. Power is given as 100 watt. RMS value of voltage is given as 220. Whenever it is given power 100 watt and 220 volt, this is understood. It is VRMS. Even though not mentioned in the question, you have to understand that is VRMS is given. Okay. First point, resistance of the bulb. Power and voltage current relation. P equal to VI, I equal to V by R. So power becomes V square divided by R. Now we are talking about VRMS. So VRMS square divided by R. We want resistance. Resistance equal to V square RMS divided by P. VRMS is given as 220. 220 square divided by 100. So we are getting the answer 484 ohm. Okay, second part, what is the peak voltage? What is the relation between V0 and peak voltage? V0 itself peak voltage, VRMS. VRMS equal to V0 by root 2. Now we want V0. V0 equal to root 2 into VRMS. So root 2, VRMS is how much? VRMS is 220. It is given in the question. If you simplify, you are getting the V0 value. Now RMS current. What's the relation between voltage and current? Yes, power P equal to V into R. IRMS equal to power divided by VRMS. Power is given as 100 watt. VRMS is given as 220. So we are getting the answer 0.455 ampere.